everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas's Journal Photography, and welcome to another episode of PhotoWander. So today I'm here in the very beautiful town of Heppenheim in Germany. So after a pretty hectic few days, we took the Eurostar to Brussels and then from there by train into Germany, and we finally arrived in this sleepy little village. And so today I'm going to actually take it easy. So this is a little town in kind of the southwest of Germany. It's called Heppenheim, and I've actually been here several times before. It's one of my favorite places because it is so relaxing, and it's actually really beautiful. We're gonna head out and explore a bit later, but for now let's just soak in the atmosphere. So this is kind of the view from the hotel, just to give you an idea. I think it's a pretty nice view to be able to look out on. Heppenheim is a gorgeous little medieval town, and its one claim to fame is that it is the birthplace of Formula 1 star Sebastian Vettel. So there's a castle on the hill overlooking the town, and you can actually walk up to it, but I've never actually made it, but this time I think I'll give it a go. I mean, how hard can it be? The countryside here is absolutely beautiful. It's so green, and you can hear birds chirping the whole time, and insects, and you name it, it's kind of going on here. You'd never think you're in kind of a town just right beside it. It's so relaxing. So I've been to Heppenheim several times before, and on top of the hill, kind of overlooking town, there's a castle, but I've never actually made it up to it before. So today I walked all the way up, and I got some photos when I was up there, and now I'm heading back down. Unfortunately, when I got up to the castle, they were doing work on it, so I couldn't really see kind of any of the grounds properly. So they seem to be doing some fairly extensive renovations on it. Still, it was nice to finally get up there though, and it's amazing views. You can actually see as far as Frankfurt, and we're about an hour outside of Frankfurt. So yeah, pretty good trek. If I make it back down and I kill myself, it'll be something more impressive. it's the last day here in Heppenheim and it's got really warm. When we started this trip last week it was like 7 or 8 degrees and pretty much raining the whole time when we were in Cambridge. And now it is 26 degrees and blue skies and sunny. In fact, it's so sunny I've got burnt twice. Now, one of the cool things about being so nice out is you get to sit out and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. There's lovely kind of outdoor cafes and stuff here, and it's kind of typical of most European cities and towns, especially up at the square where there's lots of cafes you can sit out at. And so we spent the last few evenings sitting out having coffee and tea and having dinner outside and enjoying the sunshine and the fresh air. Last day here, and I am going to try and get a few more shots now this evening. We've never actually got any kind of night photography here while I've been here before, so I want to try and get some night shots of the town square. So the next stop is train back to London via Brussels, and then home, and we will leave you with one last look at Heppenheim.